If you've never experienced driving a Saskatchewan winter, here you go.
Extreme weather in the form of snowstorms and freezing rain is reported to hit much of southwestern Ontario until the end of this week. Environment Canada has issued a winter weather travel warning for Chatham-Kent, western Elgin County, Huron County, Perth County, Wellington County and Windsor-Essex, until Saturday evening. The Weather Service said snow was expected to move into southwestern Ontario Saturday afternoon, causing snow accumulations of up to 5 centimetres by Saturday night. Not only that, snow may mix with freezing drizzle or freezing rain Saturday night in southern areas, turning into freezing drizzle by midnight. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in Ontario have experienced extreme weather over the last few days.
Situation in Barrie, Ontario, Canada.
If you've never experienced driving a Saskatchewan winter, here you go. I'm just outside Regina on my way to Wilt.
It was previously reported that a man was killed and 11 others were injured when a snowstorm hit Ontario's highways on Friday, triggering a series of multi-vehicle crashes. Ontario Provincial Police reported last Friday a collision along Highway 11 shortly before 9:30 a.m. in Orillia. The authorities appeal to the entire community to remain vigilant and careful in carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that have hit their area over the last few days.
Said that earlier than Canada than anywhere else.
It is quite something driving on the highways. A lot of times you'll be driving along and it just looks like the road has disappeared.